Look, if you're a student and your desk is covered in sticky notes and your phone is full of reminders but you're still drowning in deadlines, the list is the problem. It's not that you're lazy or disorganized, it's that your to-do list is actually a guilt generator designed to make you feel like a failure by Sunday night. Trust me, there is a brutal truth about why your list never gets done, and 3 structural fixes that will give you your life back. Reason 1. The list is too vague to act on. I want you to do something. Look at your current list. Does it say things like study for bio or work on essay? I know the trap. Those aren't tasks, they're categories. Your brain doesn't know where to start, so it chooses not to start at all and to scroll TikTok instead. Vague items create decision paralysis, not action. Trust me on this. Every item needs to be a physical, visible action. Not work on essay, but open Google Doc and write the intro. Not study for bio, but reread Chapter 4 notes and highlight the 3 main concepts. The more specific you are, the lower the resistance. Why this feels hard, you may ask. No one taught you this in school. You were told to write things down, not how to write them down. That's not your fault. It's a missing skill. Reason 2. Everything feels equally urgent. Here is the mistake I see most students make. When your list has 20 items with no order, your brain instinctively picks the easiest ones first, not the important ones. You spend your best energy on low-stakes tasks and then run out of time for the things that actually move the needle. Let me tell you about the must-win concept. Each week has 3 to 5 items that, if done, make everything else feel manageable. These are your must-wins. An email reply is not a must-win. Finishing the lab report due Friday is. Separating these 2 categories changes everything about how you spend your time. Get that wrong and you land in the guilt spiral. When you don't prioritize, you end up doing a lot without accomplishing much. Then you feel guilty. Then you procrastinate. Then you feel more guilty. Breaking the list into tiers, urgent and important versus everything else, stops the spiral before it starts. Reason 3. The list lives in too many places. Let's be real for a second. You've got tasks in your phone notes, in a planner, on sticky notes, in your email inbox, in your head, and maybe in a Discord message you sent yourself at 2 a.m. Sound familiar? When your system is scattered, you can't trust it, and a system you don't trust, you don't use. The fix is a single capture point. One place where every task, idea, and deadline lands first. It doesn't matter if it's Notion, Google Keep, or a plain notebook. What matters is that it's one place you check and update consistently. What you're going to do is once a week, you're going to spend 10 minutes doing a full brain sweep, emptying your head, checking your email, your LMS, your group chats, and pulling everything into that one inbox. Trust me, this alone eliminates the "I forgot about that" panic that hits at 11 p.m. before a deadline. Your to-do list doesn't fail because you're lazy. It fails because it's vague, unprioritized, and scattered across too many places. Fix those 3 things: clear next actions, a must-win tier, and one single inbox, and you'll feel the difference by the end of this week. Not in 90 days, this week. Take control of your student life before it takes full control of you. You've got this.